What's going on, guys? So we are here on gsmarena.com, their website, because I just watched a video from Tech Odyssey claiming that the iPhone 14 is basically the iPhone 13 resold with the iPhone 14 name. So we're going to go ahead and check this out. So this is what it looks like on GSM Arena. You can see both phones look identical, and if we go through the specs, you can see here the iPhone 13 was launched September 14, 2021, and 2022 the iPhone 14 was announced on September 7th. You can see here they're basically spec to spec wise. You can see there the iPhone 14 weighs a little bit less, and the battery, we'll get to the battery and all that, but you can see it is the same thing. It's basically the same phone. We have dual SIM for some places other than the United States. The United States only gets dual eSIM, and the iPhone 13 over here to the right gets a SIM slot and an eSIM. You can see here they're both the same, IP68 dust and water. And when it comes to the display, they both peak out at 1200 nits. They're both 6.1, and I believe they're both 60 hertz displays. So it's basically the same display on both of these. So he's correct by a lot. And even the PPI is the same, except one is running iOS 16, which is the iPhone 14. iPhone 15 is running, the iPhone 13 is running iOS 15, and you can upgrade it to iOS 16 now that it's out. So it's basically the same phone, A15 Bionic, 5 nanometer. It's the same thing. Now, Apple GPU says 5 core over there on the 14, and 4 core on the iPhone 13, which I don't know about that. We'll have to watch some videos on that. But the same cameras, 12 megapixel camera. The aperture changed a little bit. It's the same identical cameras on there. You got 12 megapixel cameras, 212s, and it records in 4K. Same thing. So it's basically the main cameras on the back, they're both 12, and the selfie cameras are both 12. Same, the same thing, man. And let me see, the speakers are the same. So we have Bluetooth 5.3 on the 14, 5.0 on the 13, Lightning USB on both, which I hate. They need to switch that to USB Type-C, because I'm not going to buy this year's iPhone, I don't think, because of that. And the battery capacity, they bumped it up from 3240 to 3279. Very minimalistic upgrade there. And you can see they both charge at the same thing at 50% in 30 minutes, and MagSafe wireless charging at 15, and magnetic fast wireless charging at 7 point. So yeah, basically they're just, in my opinion, it seems like they're just reselling you the iPhone 13 again. We'll go through the processor again. The processor is the same thing, the A15 Bionic on both. So yeah, I'm very disappointed. This is Apple's weakest upgrade. This is their weakest upgrade. iPhone 13 to the iPhone 14. I won't even recommend that upgrade. And I did see something else about the let me see where I saw that at. They got the emergency SOS satellite, which nobody's even going to use. Maybe a handful of people at best. But yeah, disappointing. Very disappointing. The iPhone 14 it's definitely very disappointing. It seems like they just want you to push and upgrade to the iPhone. I would say like the Pro models, because the iPhone 14 Plus, I'll do another video on that and we'll compare that to the iPhone 13 Pro, I guess, right? I would match it up to the Pro. We'll see on the next video. But yeah, disappointing upgrade right here. I don't recommend it. And I'll catch you guys on another video. We out.